Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe, get notified for more videos just like this. But today we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy A02s. Now this is it's going to be a little bit cheaper than the A12 that you can see right here, but if you haven't seen this video already, make sure you check it out on the channel. It's already live. Let's take a look at the Samsung Galaxy A02s. Now this is a budget device. It's just under $200. It has this really nice triple camera setup to it as well. The package does tell you that we have a few specs on here. 196 grams of weight. Nothing more than that. That's crazy. So it doesn't give you too much information on the actual box itself, which is, you know, pretty different. But let's go ahead, open this white box up Samsung has to offer. And this is one of their most affordable budget devices right here, the Samsung Galaxy A02s. So let's go ahead. You got this pull tab right here, which will give you information on the smartphone. So you can get your README guides inside of here, things of that nature. You got your warranty card guide right there. You have your quick start guide right beneath it. And now this is the phone itself, triple camera setup, 5000 milliamp hour battery, the X8 Octa-core. So you can see right here, they didn't include, oh yeah, they did include headphones. They included the wall brick, they included the Type-C charger, they included a SIM, oops, I ripped that. The SIM remover tool. Let me just pull this out because it's not secure no more. But you get that as well. And then you get your brick for charging. Not only that, they do give you, you know what I'm saying, some headphones from Samsung. Now I have they always give you these ones. These are like the budget headphones ones. I've seen a few of these. They sound actually pretty good. It's just that the thing doesn't line up. You know what I'm talking about? So let me show you what I'm talking about so you can understand what I'm saying. But when it comes to these headphones, like, let me see if these ones do it. Because I know the last ones that I had did it. They were like uneven. One ear was like way bigger. But they actually, yeah, they did it again. You see what I'm saying? Like, I'm not sure why they do that. Why is one earbud way bigger? Let me know like why they do that. Because then when you're wearing them, it looks like this. I don't know, that looks weird. Anyway, let me put these off to the side and show you what I'm talking about when we're looking at the rest of the package here. So we do have the Samsung Galaxy A02s. Whoa, this red is beautiful. The camera is flush inside of the phone. Can you guys see that? So I kind of want to peel this. It's got some tape to it. All right, so this is a really cool color and also pattern. Well, not pattern, but like you can see the design language is really nice. I love how the camera is flush inside of there. I love this color. I love red as far as that color. They got a hexagonal pattern on here, triangular formation going on, which is sick. None of the triangles are actually even, which is interesting, but it's pretty sick just to look at. You know, I really do like that. Let's give this thing a little bit of juice. Wow, this is pretty cool. Type-C on the bottom, headphone jack on the bottom. You got your speaker on the bottom, microphone at the top, SIM card remover tray right there. So look, I'm turning on the device right now. When we open up the side tray, let's just see how many SIM card slots they're offering on here. You know what I mean? So it does say, let me get this out. Okay, so there's dual SIM. Oh, that's red. It's a red SIM card slot. That looks really fire. So you get 2 nanos and 1 SD. But this I love the color of this. It's like a unibody design, really beautiful. This almost mimics metal on the side of it. I'm not sure if that's real metal. Okay, right here, so it says we're gonna begin. It says right here that we can enter the English language, nano SIM card slots, headphones inside of here. You know what I'm saying? The headphones aren't even, you know, that's the only thing that's kind of giving me a headache right now. You can see what I'm saying right here. It's not even. That's so weird. That's really weird. So you would, I don't know if you would put it like this and then wrap it around your neck or something. Like this. Maybe you could do that. That might work out. Yeah, that works out. So you wrap one of them around your ear. That's pretty much what you would do. I guess that makes sense now. All right, cool. All right, so this thing is set up right here. It says you can copy apps to the, why is it so dark on the screen? It looks lighter and to the naked eye. Don't copy. And then, let me see, it says check-in info right here. Let me see if I can set up the fingerprint sensor, test out the audio quality on here and everything like that. But right now it says that it's just loading. So I'm waiting for that to actually set up right here. Okay, so skip that part. And then you could get in right here. So this is where we have facial recognition. We have pattern, password, or PIN. I'm just gonna go ahead and skip that because you guys know how to do that. But it literally has, it says skip anyway. Skip anyway. And then, so I'm looking at the specs on this guy, but there's two models. There's a 3 GB, 32 GB model, and then there's the 4 GB, 64 GB model. So let me just skip all of this so I could show you what model we have here. Once I get inside the phone, I could show you all of that. So let me see, finish. And it's almost setting up. We're 9 minutes into the video, so I'm trying to hurry up right now. Okay, we're finally on the main screen, guys. That took long enough. You guys are like, yo, what took you so long? It's not me. These phones take a minute to set up. So let me see. We got everything on here. Dark mode, do not disturb, mobile hotspot. You know, Dolby Atmos is cool. It's got a really nice design language as far as the feel in my hand. Now, as far as the overall, let me just see which model this is because it's going to tell us inside of About Phone. But I believe this is the Snapdragon 450 on here. It's going to give me some specifications on this device as well. Let me just see, software update. About Phone. Software info. Okay, so this is on the November 1st. 2020 patch, Android 10 2.5 1 UI core. It does usually tell me the specs on these devices as well, inside of that in the About Phone, but this one doesn't have it. Let me see. Battery info, 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Yeah, cool. So yeah, this is sick. So we get your most recent apps. When you hit this button, you can actually get all your options here. Like I said, this phone does feel pretty snappy as well. For the most part, I'm not having any issues with it. We have dark theme on here. Let's try out the wallpapers. I'm gonna hit this button. You can see we got themes, home settings, just a variety of things to choose from. Let me pull down that. So you could just kind of see, let me show you the emojis on this device because a lot of people like to see those. Let me see. These look like the same ones that they've been having for years. Of course, they do upgrade them and everything like that, but you can see that we do get, you know, the skin complexions on the faces and things of that nature when it comes to, like, you know, thumbing up, thumbing down, you know, got that right there. Everything is sick on here. So I like the emojis Samsung has to offer. Tap here to get your weather, you know, things of that nature. So this is my first impressions unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A02s, my first thoughts and initial impressions. Let me know what you guys think about this device. I think it's a pretty solid device as well for the money, under $200. it's going to offer a lot of things for this price. So I really am looking forward to doing more videos on this device, checking it out, downloading all my apps on here. Wow, that color is beautiful. I really like this setup. Triple camera setup on the back. Power button right here. There's actually no fingerprint now that I noticed it on here, but let me see what let me show you what I'm talking about when we go into security right here. Let me show you. It's gonna say that we can set up the face unlock, so I kind of want to do that right now. You can enter your pattern, password, or PIN. I'm gonna set up a pattern just because it's like real fast to do that, and you don't need a keyboard or anything of that nature. So it's asking me to enter my face inside of it. But it says when you unlock with facial recognition, stay on unlock screen until you swipe. I'm gonna turn that off. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have to swipe. So let me just test out the facial recognition right here. So y'all don't have to swipe. That's really fast. That's really quick. Let me show you on this one. Wow, that's really fast. And this one. Yup, so really quick facial recognition, no fingerprint sensor. I don't really mind that because the facial recognition is really quick. Let me see if it does it with the mask on though. That's the main thing. Let me see if it does it with the mask on. Okay, so it doesn't do it with the mask on. You have to have the mask off. No facial recognition with the mask on. But this is my first thoughts, initial impressions, and unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A02s. But let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll get right back with you later, crew. Peace.